What happens to your body when you eat potatoes, an everyday meal for 14 days? Potatoes, often underestimated and misunderstood, are one of the most versatile and nutritious foods available. Whether baked, mashed, roasted, or boiled, this humble tuber offers a wide array of health benefits that make it an essential part of a balanced diet. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Let's explore the nutritional profile and the numerous ways potatoes can enhance our health. Number 1. Prevent type 2 diabetes. Potatoes are rich in a unique type of starch, known as resistant starch. Unlike other starches, resistant starch is not fully broken down and absorbed by the body. Instead, it travels to the large intestine, where it serves as a nutrient source for beneficial gut bacteria. Studies have identified health benefits associated with resistant starch, of which is the reduction of insulin resistance, thereby aiding in better blood sugar management. An animal study demonstrated that mice consuming resistant starch experienced decreased insulin resistance, meaning their bodies could more effectively remove excess glucose from the bloodstream. Further research, including a study where 10 people consumed 30 grams of resistant starch daily for 4 weeks, indicated that resistant starch could decrease insulin resistance by 33%. Number 2. Packed with nutrients. Potatoes stand out as a superb source of many essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, a medium-baked potato contains 161 calories, 0.2 grams of fat, 43 grams of protein, 36.6 grams of carbs, and 3.8 grams of fiber. The nutritional profile of potatoes can change depending on their variety and preparation method. For example, frying potatoes increases their calorie and fat content compared to baking them. It's also noteworthy that the potato skin holds a substantial portion of these vitamins and minerals. Peeling potatoes can significantly lower their nutritional value. Number 3. Reduce overeating. Beyond their nutritional value, potatoes are also remarkably satisfying. In one experiment, 11 individuals were given 38 common foods and asked to rate their fullness levels. Among all the foods, potatoes topped the list for satiety. Notably, potatoes were found to be 7 times more satiating than croissants, which were considered the least filling. Consuming foods that induce a sense of fullness can help manage or reduce weight by curbing hunger pangs. Number 4. Chronic disease prevention. Potatoes boast a wealth of antioxidants, essential molecules that combat free radicals, preventing damage to your cells. Consuming a diet high in antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables may your risk of heart disease and cancer. To maximize antioxidant intake, keep the potato skins on and opt for colorful varieties, such as red and purple potatoes. The more vibrant the color, the higher the antioxidant content. Notably, the skin of some potatoes can contain up to 12 times more antioxidants than the flesh. Number 5. Digestive health. The fiber in potatoes is unique, it's known as resistant starch. This type of fiber offers benefits similar to both soluble and insoluble fibers. You can boost the resistant starch in potatoes by cooking them a day in advance and cooling them in the fridge overnight, and feel free to reheat before consuming them. Similar to soluble fiber, resistant starch functions as a prebiotic, which means it supports the beneficial bacteria in your gut. On the other hand, like insoluble fiber, it helps alleviate or manage constipation and irritable bowel syndrome. Number 6. Lower blood pressure. Baked potato skin offers an excellent source of potassium and magnesium. Insufficient potassium in your diet leads your body to retain additional sodium. Excessive sodium levels elevate blood pressure. A diet rich in potassium can help lower blood pressure, thereby protecting the heart and reducing stroke risk. Number 7. Packed with antioxidants. Potatoes are loaded with stuff like flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids. These things work in your body as antioxidants, knocking out bad molecules, called free radicals. If too many free radicals build up, they can cause big problems. Think heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. One study showed that the antioxidants in potatoes might slow down liver and colon cancer cells from growing. Colored potatoes, like the purple ones, have way more antioxidants than white potatoes. We're talking about 3 to 4 times more. So they might be even better at dealing with those pesky free radicals. Number 8. Naturally gluten-free. The gluten-free diet, which excludes gluten, proteins present in grains, such as spelt, wheat, barley, and rye, is widely practiced around the globe. While the majority of people do not suffer negative effects from eating gluten, individuals with celiac disease or non-celiac sensitivity may experience significant discomfort when consuming foods that contain it. Common symptoms include intense stomach ache, diarrhea, constipation, bloating, and skin rashes. If you adhere to a gluten-free diet, it's a good idea to incorporate potatoes into your meals. Potatoes are naturally gluten-free, meaning they do not cause the uncomfortable symptoms associated with gluten consumption. For those with celiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity, always check the complete list of ingredients before eating a potato-based dish. Number 9. Extremely versatile. Potatoes are not only nutritious, but also highly tasty and adaptable. They can be cooked in several ways, such as boiling, baking, and steaming. However, frying them significantly increases their calorie count, especially with the use of excessive oil. An alternative method is to slice potatoes and roast them in the oven with a light coating of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of rosemary. It's beneficial to leave the skin on, as it contains the majority of the nutrients. This approach ensures you get the maximum nutritional benefit from the potatoes. Number 10. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6 content in potatoes, combined with their lack of cholesterol, contribute to cardiovascular well-being. Potatoes are rich in fiber, which helps reduce overall blood cholesterol levels, thereby lowering the risk of heart disease. Studies based on the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey indicate that potassium intake and lower sodium consumption are linked to a decreased risk of all-cause mortality and heart disease. Number 11. Inflammation. Choline, an essential and versatile nutrient found in potatoes, aids in muscle movement, mood regulation, learning, and memory. It also plays a role in maintaining cellular membrane structure, transmitting nerve signals, fat absorption, and early brain development. Number 12. Cancer prevention. Potatoes are rich in folate, which is crucial for DNA synthesis and repair, thereby preventing the emergence of various cancer cells due to DNA mutations. The fiber gained from fruits and vegetables, including potatoes, is linked to a reduced risk of colorectal cancer. Additionally, vitamin C and quercetin act as antioxidants, safeguarding cells from the damage caused by free radicals. Number 13. Metabolism. Potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin B6, essential for energy metabolism. This vitamin helps break down carbohydrates and proteins into glucose and amino acids, making it easier for the body to utilize them for energy. Well, that is all about the health benefits of potatoes. However, here are some frequently asked questions about potatoes. Let's check it out. Question 1. What are the main types of potatoes? The main types of potatoes include russet, red, yellow, white, blue, purple, and fingerling potatoes. Each type has different characteristics and uses. For example, russet potatoes are starchy and great for baking and mashing, while red potatoes are waxy and ideal for salads and soups. Question 2. How should potatoes be stored to keep them fresh? Potatoes should be stored in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place, such as a pantry or a cellar, at temperatures between 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid storing them in the refrigerator, as the cold temperature can convert the starches into sugars, altering their flavor and texture. Keep them away from onions, as they can make potatoes spoil faster. Question 3. What's the difference between waxy and starchy potatoes? Waxy potatoes, such as red or fingerling potatoes, have a low starch content and hold their shape well when cooked, making them ideal for salads and soups. Starchy potatoes, like russets, have a high starch content and a fluffy texture when cooked, which makes them perfect for baking, frying, and mashing. Question 4. Are potatoes healthy? Yes, potatoes can be a healthy part of a balanced diet. They are a good source of vitamin C and B6, potassium, and dietary fiber. However, the preparation method matters. Baking, boiling, or steaming are healthier options compared to frying. Question 5. Can you eat potato skins? Yes, potato skins are edible and nutritious. They contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Make sure to wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticide residues before cooking. Question 6. How do you know when a potato is bad? A potato is bad if it has a strong odor, is mushy, has significant green spots, or has started to rot. Small sprouts can be removed, but if the potato is shriveled or extensively sprouted, it's best to discard it. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.